basic removal of the tire. Push tire out of the way so that way you have room to access all the components on there. Using a striker pry bar and a hammer, remove the axle dust cover. Sometimes they're easy to come off, other times they are pretty hard. Some axle covers actually have a rubber seal that you can pop out to access the fitting to grease that way. But considering we're removing everything, we have to take it off. Now it's removal of the lock plate. Some axles have cotter pins, others have lock plates. Remove the axle nut, which allows you access to the outer bearings. Outer bearings have a washer on them too. When you get those off, set those to the side, as those will be parts that will be cleaned. Usually drums come off pretty easy. If not, you can rotate forward and they'll slide off. The rear seal, the axle seal for the inner bearings, can be accessed by popping the seal out from the back side. 90% of the time that works. Normally, if it doesn't work, you actually flip the drum over, which you will see here in just a few seconds that it was not working that way. So you flip the drum over and using the same striker bar, hit the inner bearings that will actually pop the seal out. And then you grab your inner and outer bearings, inspect them, and then take them to the wash machine. When you get it to the parts machine, make sure you clean all the old grease off. Some of the grease might still look the normal color. Most of it will be black from the dust and the dirt. Upon cleaning them, finish that up, and then take the drum, clean the inner part of the drum and around where the brake pads and the electric brake control is. And normally that actually does a pretty good job.